Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to get ready for my 27th birthday celebrations, you guys. But first off, I want you guys to see this two-piece set that I got from Shane. I love it so much. And today the hair we are using is QT hair. And you guys, they came with a lot of goodies, but this is the one that really just stood out to me, this net, because this is what I needed for this hairstyle today. So right here, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. I'm not going to part it all the way because I don't need it all the way down the middle. I just need half of that. And then we are going to just, carve out two little rectangles in the front. And this right here is going to act as my leave out. I am putting that hair over that comb to make sure, my tracks ain't going to be showing, stuff like that. I've also decided that I want to leave hair out on the side, so here's me taking that out, and then that is all the hair that I'm leaving out. And then I just went ahead and braided everything up. Y'all, that wine is hitting, okay? But my birthday was at 12, so I was a little lit. Here's me just oiling up my scalp, getting ready to put that stocking cap on, okay? So we're gonna actually double up before we, do what we gotta do. So right here, what I'm trying to do is just separate my hair that I'm leaving out and the hair that I am going to be, my quick weave and stuff. So this is me just sewing around the perimeter as such. After I am done sewing that cap down, it is now time to cut right there along my little blue lines as such. So today I am not using the glue protectant. I am just going to use some Got To Be in spritz, and then I'm going to blow dry it. I am going to mold it till it's hard, okay? I thought that maybe it would last a little longer, so that's why I did it this way. I'm just trying some things out, guys. So right here I'm just measuring my hair, and then I'm going to glue it down, but I'm just measuring from side to side, and then we're just gonna glue it down. I like to do it this way so that the hair can kind of fall in my face. But as y'all can pretty much see that I'm just doing curve, I'm just curving all the tracks around my head as such. And also, don't come for me with these glasses on, y'all. I know I look old as hell. Don't come for me, okay? So you guys, I was kind of upset because I've only used like 2 bundles. I was, my intentions was to use all 3 bundles, but since it didn't happen, I'm probably just going to take this out and I'm going to do it on my mom. I just need a little more practice with this, I think. But you guys, to solve, that thin problem, because I wanted my hair real thick, I'm just going to do very heavy layers and fluffy curls. So you guys will see that in a minute. Right here, I'm just blow drying everything out, even the waves in this hair. And then you guys, I know y'all been seeing the mousse thing with the net, and you dry it and your hair will definitely stay. Like, I really love this method. I don't know who came up with this, but yes, like, my leave out has not been puffy at all. So I love this idea, whoever created this. And yeah, so y'all look how good this net is, how good and convenient it is. Like, y'all really did that. Whoever business this is, y'all did that, okay? Here's me just sitting up under that dryer, and my sides wasn't really dry, so I just used my hand dryer instead. And here's me just doing little sections by little sections, and I am just combing that out. And I already got a heat protectant on too as well. and I use the hot comb for my edges. So here's me just taking my shears, and I also grabbed my razor comb because, as y'all heard what I said before, I'm doing very heavy layers because I wanted this hair very full looking, okay? So here's me just doing those heavy layers. I'm not even caring about cutting my hair because my hair grows very quick. Like, I've realized that about my hair. You guys, here's my curling iron. I have just started using a curling iron. So here's my curling iron by Conair. I think it's like a 1 inch. And then I also have some of these Velcro rollers that I got from Forever 21. And we just going to curl that, and then we're going to use our hair rollers, slide it down. Then we're going to pull it up, and then we're going to like clip it with a bobbin pin as such. So I've been seeing y'all use the Power Grip primer, and I can say that yes, I do like this Primer Grip primer because everything just stays, in place, and I really love that. So right here, I'm just putting that on. Then right here, I'm just going to put that concealer right there. It's a lighter concealer. It's Almond by LA Girl Pro. If you know, you know. I'm just going to let that dry for like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to blend it out. Y'all, I'm just using that color corrector over them nasty pimples because ew. But anyways, you guys, that y'all see how good this blended, like this concealer onto my eyelid. Like, I didn't have to put layers and layers of concealer on it for it to get lighter. It just, stayed because of this primer grip. So I really like what e.l.f. did with that. I put some contour or bronzer on my eyelid, and I'm just using this cheap eyeshadow palette to do a little blue, and then we're gonna use a little brown to tone that blue down. But yeah, I wanted to do blue because I'm wearing blue, duh. Then right here, I'm just going in with a little shimmery gold eyeshadow, y'all. I'm just really into shimmer lately, like, extra as hell, but yeah. So right here, I'm just going in with Fun by LA Girl Pro, and then after I have concealed my spots where I want it to go, highlight it, I'm just going to let that concealer stay on there for like 2 minutes, spray it with some setting spray, then let it stay for 2 minutes, and then we're going to blend it out, okay? So right here, I'm just adding a little bit of that foundation around my little highlighted spots. I do not want to go over my highlighted spots because I'm not really into I'm not into that thing where you put, foundation over everything. But right here, I'm adding a brighter under eye by putting that almond color up under there. And then we're going to blend it out as such. So right here, you guys, I am just doing my contour. This is espresso, and then of course we're gonna go over it with my MAC powder. But you guys, I didn't have my contour brush, so I had to kind of like work with this big ass brush, but I like to use a smaller brush than that. And then we are going to just set all those highlighted areas with my powder puff as such. And I try not to do too much powder, powder. So just showing you guys, I've already lined my lips and I've already, put a little mascara on. So now it's time to put my lashes on. I did that. Then I put my highlighter on my nose and my inner corners. Now I am going to put it up under my eyebrow as such. I like a little shimmer. I tell y'all, I love me some shimmer now. I love it. Also, you guys excuse the background noise. That is my dog. Y'all know. So right here, I'm just going to use my concealer in almond as the new lipstick, okay, in quotations. And then I sprayed my face, and now we are going to take those rollers out, y'all. I tried my best, honey. I tried my best. This is my first time using this, so you know what I'm saying, give me a little time, okay. I had to work with it, and I also had to put a little bit more curls in there because you know what I'm saying, I wanted to look, I don't know, decent, I guess. So after I took the rollers out, of course, I am going to comb the curls out. But like I said, I kind of worked with this off camera as well. And y'all, this is the final look of the hair. But you guys get into these earrings. I got those from Fashion Nova. I got this skirt from Fashion Nova, this bag from Shane, and just everything just looked so good together. I also got the from Shane too, the bodysuit, and the shoes are from Rainbow. Don't knock it until you try it, okay? You know what I'm saying? It went well with my outfit, okay? But you guys, my sister got me this necklace, yeah, for my outfit. And then I have this phone case that I got from Shane. I wanted everything to like blend together. I just wanted to look real cute for my birthday. Right here, you guys, I wasn't feeling the bodysuit, so I went ahead and cut it. And everybody was just like, yeah, it looks so much better. And then right here, I'm just putting that shimmer on my belly. Don't come for my good, child. We gonna work on it in 2024. So this is the final look, y'all. I love this outfit, and you know what I'm saying, we had a good time. We went to Knife here in Atlanta. We ate real good. And then we went to the nightclub after that. Well, actually, it was a hookah lounge. But, y'all, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later.